Welcome friends to Excel beginners and advanced tips. In our last video we saw how to print a transaction in the form of a slip. And friends, today before going to my next step I need to show this previous user form again. See friends, here you can see the date is being displayed in the format DD and YY. See in the top left corner, date is being displayed in this format, and it is also being displayed. This format is also being displayed in the list box. Friends, I want this format to be changed into DD, and YY format. And for doing this friends, I just need to set the correct format of the date in the form initialize event. When the list box will be when this form will be loaded, the date of the list box will automatically be changed in DD, and YY format. So for this friend, we just need to add little bit code here. You can see in this line date is being displayed, and in this line we can write format within quote, within a bracket, comma, just give the appropriate format DD, and YY, and close this format. So friends, if I run this now, let's see, it has been changed. Format has been changed because changed as DD, and YY. So friends, thus we can change the format. And friends, just now I will move to my next task, that is next step, that is I want the total amount of purchase within a specific date of a particular product or a particular item. So for this friends, I need to create a user form. I have already taken a user form friends, you can see here. Just going to form here and user form 3. In this form I want to display the total items of sheet 2, details of the items here in the list box 1 of user form 3. And whenever I click in this list box or select the item from the list box, the product ID will be displayed here, and product name corresponding and related corresponding product name will be displayed here. And I need to give start date here and end date in this text box 2, and start date in text box 1. And if all the I want to set a if function, if the criteria within date and the product ID is match, then I want to display the total amount of purchase during a specific time or during a period of time. And for this friends, I need to write codes in our show button. So friends, at first we need to display the total items in this list box. So going to its initialize event, and friends, we can take it from this list from this user form 2. We can take this code, we can copy this code, this line of code up to this, so that we need we don't need to type again. Just copy this in and paste it in user form 3 initialize event, and going to initialize event here, just pasting it here, and instead of list box 2, I need to replace this list box 2 to list box 1, because there is no list box 2 in this user form 3. You can see the name of the list box is list box 1 here. So going to initialize event and just take a copy of list box 2 and Control F, just find dialog box will be appeared, and paste here, and just replace it with just paste it here. We replace it with list box 1. So everything every list box 2 will be replaced by list box 1 here. So replace all. You can see friends, 16 replacement has been taken place, and now OK and OK, and see friends, here is all the list box 2 has been converted into list box 1 and is being used, which will be used in our user form, which has been used in the user form 3. So let's try to run this. See friends, all the records has been entered from sheet 2, that is our purchase sheet. And friends, now if I select any item, say P1, product ID will be displayed here and product name will be displayed on this on these labels, and I want to give space date, start date and end date, and if I click on show button, the total amount of purchase will be displayed on this label here above on the show button. You can see this label. So just see the names of this label. It is label 2 where product ID will be displayed, and it is label 4 where product name will be displayed, and the text box 1 to enter the start date, text box 2 the end date, and the label 7 where the total amount will be displayed and show. Just to remember the names of the labels while writing the codes in show button or in any control. So at first we want to type the codes here for this list box 1 to display product ID and product name. So just going to list box 1, double click here, and we can write the codes. We need a for loop here friends. For x is equal to, we have done this previous previous forms, we have done many times. Just we need to type this for x is equal to 0 to list box 1 dot list count minus 1, because it will start from 0 to the last record of the list box. Here we need the function, we need a for loop, and it will do until it is moved to the last record of the list box. Okay, from first record, that is 0 to last record. Okay, next see friends, label 2, because here I want to display the product name, product code actually, dot caption will be list box 1 dot list box 1 dot list index, and I want to display here product code, that is the second index, that is the second column of the list box 1, and we can copy this for the next, that is our product name, that is label, I think it's 4, and just 2. Let's close this loop with next here. Just okay friends, just run this. Let's see what happens. See, if I want to know the click here this record, you can see product ID P1 is being displayed and product name petrol is being displayed here. And if I click anywhere, P2 diesel, P3 mobile, if I select the record from the list box 1, the corresponding product ID and product name will be displayed on this level like this. See, okay friends, now I want to write codes to display. I want to write codes to display the total amount purchase within a specific period of time. Here above the show button, here is a label here, and total amount will be displayed on the on above the show button. Here is a label, and just I need to type the codes for show button here. Just going to show button, that click, and here I need to assign I need to assign variables. Say dim, I need to assign two variables of date variable, dim as date. Okay, just this is the process of declaring a variable, and we need to assign text box one dot value is equal value x is equal to text box one dot value, that is our start date, and y is equal to text box two dot value, that is the end date, which has been assigned to x and y, the two variables, date variables. And here I need a condition, friends. If sheet 2 dot cells range, actually it would be the range a colon a, that is the where the date is being located, dates are being located, and if it is greater than equal to the value of x, which I will enter in is from 3, and this is and same sheet 2 dot range, again it is a within bracket a colon a, that is the first column where the dates are located, are situated, and it is if it is less than or equal to y, that is the value of text box 2, and I want to another function, another condition, that if the product ID is found, if the product ID displayed in the label 2 is equal to the product ID display situated or located in our sheet 2. So for this, friends, and sheet 2 dot range, this is our B, where the product ID is found, will be found in sheet 2, is equal to label 2 dot caption, label 2 dot caption. If this condition is matched, then I type then here, friends, you can see then I want here means level 7, here the total amount of the purchase of a specific product. So here level 7 dot caption will be here, friends. I need to use a function, that is SUMIF function, application dot worksheet function dot sum SUMIF. If here I need to apply yes, SUMIF function. If sheet 2, we can write sheet 2 dot range b colon b, because here our product ID, if the product ID of sheet 2, product ID column of sheet 2 is equal to the same, we can copy this, but just type here label 2 dot caption. If it is matched, then I need the sum of sheet 2 dot range, sum of column amount column, sum of amount column dot range, and here, friends, just see the amount column F, it is the F column. Okay, friends, we need F, sum of F column F column colon F, that is the whole column of F, our amount column. Now see, friends, this is our code to do our task here, friends. The F column will be sum, the F column will be the sum, we will get the sum of F column if this column, that means product code, is equal to the is equal to the caption of level 2, that is also in displayed in our user form 3. Level 2 dot caption means product code. This displays product code, and this is also the product code column, and it is the level where product code is being displayed in our user form 3. If this equal to this, then there will be sum of amount column, that is F column. Okay friends, and if, and we can see, if we run this, let's see what happens. If I want this product, the total amount of purchase of this product within a specific date, that is within, you can see, within 1st November 2019 to till date today, you can say 17th November 2019. Let's show here friends, there is some debug, and just type here friends, on error resume next. It's good practice to write this, to start a function with this line of code. So if there is any error, the next step will be executed. And let's see what happens if I run this code again. Petrol, and start date say 1/11/2019, and end date say today's date 11/2019. Let's show. Yes friends, you can see here the total amount of purchase of this product, that is P1 petrol, within this date, that is 1st November to 17th November, is rupees 7,050. So friends, we can find the total purchase. Thus we can find the total purchase of a product within a specific date. So here you can just change this font, just enhance it to see it clearly friends here, and we can take a level here also, and you can write here total amount of purchase. Actually this is the purchase, total amount of purchase. And we can take on the top friends, we can take another level, and we can type the caption here, the total purchase, purchase of item, the total amount of purchase, actually amount, the total amount of purchase of item, like this, total amount of purchase, or you can total purchase amount, total amount of purchase, total amount of purchase. Okay friends, of an item. Just we can take this in middle. You can give any heading as you deem fit, and just change its font little bit, say 12. Okay, and you can align it at center. Just text line here, go and select option 2 for center. We can bold it. I don't want to bold it. If we don't want, just bold it. To again we have to go to font. If we want to bold it, just take a bold option. Total amount of purchase of an item. Now friends, we can see our form, and say again 1/11/2019 and 11. You can give any date. I am giving the current date. And now I want to see this there is diesel, total amount of diesel. So see 2,896. So thus friends, we can find the total amount of purchase. We can see any amount. if it is mobile, you can see mobile, it is rupees 1521 only. We can see any items here. So just here we want to need another things to refresh this. Unload user form 3 here. Sorry, we need to type here 3. Actually this is our user form, and user form 3 dot show to refresh this after doing the task. So just going there mobile, and if we want to purchase only the dates within 16th to 17th or 2009, or if we want to see 16th only, 16th 11 2019, 16th to 16th, just 1 day's report show. Just keep here again 16th 11 2019 and again 16th 11 2019 and show. Just again going there, see petrol 16th 11 2019 and 16th 11 2019 show. Yes friends, if we load and unload this is being showing in so quickly that we don't see this, we can't see this here friends. I think it is not required to load and unload to refresh this, because here I want just total amount. So if it is so here in this case we don't need to refresh these forms. If we refresh these forms, friend, it will be loaded and reloaded, and it will be showing so quickly that we can't see it. So friends, thus if we want to format this or design this, we can design it, and if we add decimal places after this if we want decimal places after this, just take a variable here like this dim, another variable dim xyz as double. You can see this, and we can assign its x here, z here, z, and then we can assign z to our level 7 dot caption is equal to z, and we can say within quote comma 0000. Concat this, concat like this. Then we can see as 0 decimal place is being showing there 11 2019 and also 16th 11 2019, and just so you can see this 0.00 will come after the number. So thus friends, we can find the total amount of purchase of a particular product within a period of time. So just practice this friends and use this, and in our next video I will move to our sales I will move to our sales report or sales data in other user forms. So friends, thank you very much for viewing this, and if it is little helpful, please subscribe this channel, and it will be a great joy for us. Thank you friends once again.